Hello there, bestie. My name is Gigi, and I would like to welcome you back to Down for Glam. So today's video is going to be another midweek mini. Yay! And in today's video, we are going to make a cute little mushroom. I have been seeing so many tiny little new plants growing and budding lately in the neighborhood as I'm out walking my dog. And one of the things I saw outside my very front door, my very own front door, is a tiny little mushroom. And I fell in love with it instantly and knew I had to do a nail. So here we go. We're going to create a little nail. And all I'm doing now is drawing the outline of his little mushroom cap. And I'm making a huge mess of it. And I realized right about this time that I should have done that little crack in his cap at the top before I lined the bottom. But I'm laughing at myself right about now, and we just fix it right up. No problem. Now, if you do leave a little bit of brown behind up in the cap area, that's not the end of the world, because we are going to fill it in with some color. And here it comes right now. We're going to do the top in 2 colors of orange, almost like a splotchy modeled ombre sort of look. And I'm just taking a tiny little brush and filling it in, as you can see. And now I'm coming in with that second orange color. And you can see it's just slightly different in tone, so it gives that mushroom kind of a more natural appearance. That's all. Even though we are kind of doing a fantasy mushroom, this is probably not a mushroom you would see in the real world. In the underside of the mushroom cap, we're going to put in this really icy blue color, just really light blue. And the only reason I chose that particular color is that it showed up the best against the background. I'm going to make the stem match the top. And I do come in with a little bit more later because I noticed that that brown is showing through of the outline of the cap. So I do come in later and just deepen that color up a little bit in the stem. I don't show it on camera, but I do actually complete that. And you'll see it at the end there that you don't see that brown line anymore. And now I'm going to take some of that brown and just turn it into the dirt color. And we're going to add a couple of leaves and some dots to represent baby flowers and a stem for those. We're going to fix it and go again. I didn't like the angle on that. And now it's top coating time. Oh, look how cute this little guy came out. I love it so much. Please let me know in the description, or in the comment section rather, do you like this nail? Would you wear it? Is it something that you're going to put into a mani anytime soon? Let me know, and we will see you in tomorrow's video. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.